Hi, welcome back. I'm really excited for you today because now we are writing the essay. But the amazing thing about this is the essay is already written. It's in your portfolio. We're going to take out all the pieces from your writing portfolio, put them together, actually lay them out on the floor or a table so you can see it. Then we're going to fill it in. This is the template you're going to use. You already know how to write the introduction. It has to have all the topic sentences from your skeleton paragraphs. And then you're going to list them in your introduction. Then you're going to take your introduction and write your conclusion with it, following the same order of the topic sentences. So you have this paragraph already written in your skeleton paragraph, this one, and this one. Okay? So you're just going to take the topic sentences, introduce them, put them in here, rewrite your conclusion down here, and your essay is completed. Okay? So you are now becoming an emergent writer. Emergent means you're appearing on the scene as a writer now. You know how to make sentences. You know how to string sentences together. You know how to convey an idea using a paragraph. Remember, one paragraph, one idea. So we were talking about the dog being well trained. That's one paragraph. If I want to talk about a cat, then I got to change to a different paragraph. If I want to talk about fish, I need another paragraph. If I want to talk about bears, I need another paragraph. Okay? So we know how to do that now. And you know how to use sentences to bring it to life. And you've had practice with the parts of speech. So you know how to use adjectives, adverbs, to give your writing some color and sophistication. Okay? So what I want you to do now is download this template, and I want you to take your writing portfolio, get your skeleton paragraphs out, and then I want you to actually write the topic sentences in the box and in the conclusion. And then I want you to set them to sentence structure. So from now on, you're going to hear me say, set it to sentence structure. That means you're going to take this and just write the paragraph using sentences. Remember, your first sentence is indented, and then the rest of them and then your conclusion. There's your essay. Here's your intro, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and your conclusion. You know how to set this to sentence structure. This is called your rough draft. And you will hear some of your teachers say, now start your rough draft. This is what they're talking about. Taking your ideas, structuring them out, turning them into sentences to write your essay. You now have an essay that has an introduction, paragraph with a topic sentence, another paragraph with a topic sentence, another one with a topic sentence, and then a conclusion. 5 paragraphs, that's known as the 5-body essay. Okay? And when you write down your ideas and you turn them into sentences, that's called your rough draft. Okay? So what I want you to do is download the rough draft PDF and write your essay. I want you to actually craft the essay, the rough draft. And then I'll see you in the next lesson, and I show you what we do with that. Okay? I'll see you then. I'm really excited for you.